How the camel got the hump. The number of spiders in a field is the population. Population is how to say population. The human population of my house is 2. There, me and my wife. Movement out of a population to another place is migration. Yes, I migrated to Hong Kong 20 years ago. Migration. Monarch butterflies migrate 100 miles a day to get to Mexico for the winter. Yeah, they migrate from the USA and Canada. Movement into a population is called immigration. Yes, I was an immigrant. Immigration. We need mainland immigrants from China to do all the low-paid jobs the locals won't do. Yes. They tend to do all the... Yes, that often happens with immigration. Leaving a population is called emigration. Yes, I emigrated. Emigration. Emigration is a factor called a check on population. Yes, because if the population's too much of spiders, then some of them emigrate. There is too many immigrants and emigrants to count, so they are estimated. From spiders, and also less so humans. You can actually count humans; they're easier to count. Estimated. Spider. Estimations of populations are made using, well, should I say that immigration, butterfly would be better than spider. Yes. Because some people are bad about spiders and they don't want immigrants and emigrants to be a bad thing, because, hey, I'm one of them. Estimations of a population are made using a square made out of pieces of wood called a quadrant. Quadrant. Yes, you can't use that for humans. Spiders. You count every spider in the quadrant and multiply it up to tell you how many spiders are in the whole field. It is a long way to the next waterhole in a desert, so camels have humps full of fat. The camel's hump fat makes water and energy by respiration. Respiration. Yes, you lose most of your water from your respiration food when you breathe out. Camels are really good at not losing water when they breathe out. Fat contains hydrogen atoms. Hydrogen. Fat also contains oxygen atoms. Oxygen. The fat becomes carbon dioxide and water. H2O. When the camel's cells respire. The camel's hump is an adaptation. Adaptation. Small hump camels died and larger hump camels survived, so the adaptation evolved. Camels will now all have the larger hump gene. It doesn't need the word will. Gene. This is called evolution. Evolution. Oh, that's okay. The camel's body evolved over millions of years. Camels are adapted to the dry desert habitat. Recently, we have found small hump camel fossils that were emigrating from America across snow. Yes, you need loads of food if you're going to cross snow, so the hump was very useful. And the wide feet of the camel, also very useful for crossing across snow. Camels started their evolution in North America, and they emigrated from North America, immigrating into Russia, and then Bactrian camels, and then dromedary camels, down where they found that humps on their backs were a useful adaptation for deserts, and now humans have taken them to Australia. Cockroaches are brown and flat. I think that needs to start off. Cockroaches are brown and flat. Cockroaches adapted to the dead leaf habitat around trees. Yes, that's why they're brown and flat. Rats are pests because they compete with humans for food. Rats and humans are in the same niche. Yes. Cockroaches eat wood and paper, so the easiest way to keep their population down is to keep your house dry with a dehumidifier. Yes. Cane toads were helped to emigrate to Australia by the Australian Bureau for Sugar Experiment Stations. Yes, sometimes scientists do dumb things. Especially if they're pushed to do things before they've done enough science. They didn't understand environmental science. Yes, environmental. Rats eat the same food as we do and live in the same homes, so they are competitors that occupy the same niche. We call them pests. Cool! Did you notice the one spelling mistake? Be the first person to put it in comments if you comments if you notice the one spelling mistake that I made on purpose. Press like, press subscribe, press my picture to get more of my videos. Bye!